All right, so the fix we did is we took the super rubber bouncy ball here. We replaced the old worn out ball. There was only one left and it looked horrible. Rebalanced the motor. And this is a flat lap working. And it looks like that one wants to fall over. I might need to put a cup around it or something. I've never seen one of these actually operating. There's very few videos on YouTube I've been able to find. But it is polishing, and given how dirty that is getting very fast, I'm guessing it is polishing actually way better than I thought. So yeah, polishing up the rocks. I want to see what they're like. Ooh, wow. So it seems to be doing a good job. Just a quick little video of a flat lap. At some point when I'm a little more put together with it all, I've got some bigger stuff to do. I'll do a longer YouTube video after I figured out the how, why, and how-to of how this thing is supposed to work. I'm probably doing something wrong. If anybody's got any advice, hey, would love to see it. In the meantime, we now have a flat lap cooker. We've got the Gershwin we can operate. We've got the big Titan cabbing machine doing an awesome job. Got our little drilling and cabochon station over here. We'll be upgrading, and our light. So, another day from the world's messiest garage. Hope you guys think the equipment's neat. We're just trying to do as much as we can. I'll try to post a video every couple days with the panic apocalypse going on. And the boy's coughing. It's not the coronavirus, guys. He's just had a little bit of a cold for a long, long time. Way before this started. All right, bye.